Imagine a keyboard that looks like a cozy cafe aesthetic, but packs the punch of a high-end workstation. The Willow Mechanical Keyboard Milk Tea Edition is trying to prove that you do not have to sacrifice professional performance for a stunning desktop vibe. At first glance, that milk tea finish and aluminum top plate give off a sophisticated, minimalist energy that instantly upgrades any desk setup. But this is not just about looks. Underneath those PBT keycaps, you are getting low-profile Kyle linear silent switches that are actually hot swappable. That is a rare find in the low-profile world, giving you the freedom to customize your typing feel without the loud, clicky distractions that usually come with mechanical boards. It feels incredibly smooth and stealthy, making it perfect for late-night sessions or a busy office where you do not want to annoy your coworkers. The 102-key layout is a clever middle ground, giving you a full number pad while keeping the footprint compact enough to save space. Connectivity is where this thing really shines, offering 3 different ways to hook up your gear. You can jump between 5 different devices using Bluetooth, the 2.4 GHz dongle, or a reliable USB-C cable. It even comes with adapters for both Type A and Type-C ports, which is a thoughtful touch most brands overlook. Whether you are toggling between a Mac for work and a PC for gaming, the dedicated dual OS support makes the transition seamless. The included wireless mouse is a nice bonus too, matching the aesthetic perfectly and offering silent clicks that pair well with the keyboard's quiet nature. While the 1000 mAh battery is decent, you will want to manage that white backlighting if you're planning to go weeks without a charge. For anyone who needs a programmable powerhouse that looks as good as it performs, this setup is a total game changer. It is a rare blend of style, silence, and serious versatility that just works.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.